How can I fix Roblox Error Code 103?
Hey, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll tackle a common issue many of you have been asking about: how to fix the Roblox Error Code 103. If you've encountered this error, don't worry. We're here to help you get back to gaming in no time.
What is Roblox Error Code 103?
Before we dive into the solution, let's understand what we're dealing with. Error code 103 on Roblox typically appears when you're trying to join a game, and it often indicates a problem with the age settings on your Roblox or Xbox account. It can sometimes also mean that the game you're trying to join doesn't allow players of your account's age range.
How can I fix this error?
There are a couple of ways to handle this error, and we'll walk you through them step by step. Step 1. Check the age settings on your Roblox account. The first thing you'll want to do is check the age settings on your Roblox account. If you're under 13, some games may restrict your access. Here's how to check. 1. Log into your account on roblox.com. 2. Click on the gear icon at the top right, then select Settings. 3. In the Account Info section, check your birth date. If your birth date is incorrect, unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Roblox does not allow you to change your birth date after your account has been created. You may need to contact Roblox support for further assistance. Step 2. Check the age settings on your Xbox account. If you're playing Roblox on Xbox and still encountering error 103, the problem might be with your Xbox account settings. Here's how to verify. 1. Sign into your Xbox account. 2. Navigate to Settings, then Account, and then Family Settings. 3. Check the age and content restrictions there. If necessary, adjust these settings or ask your family manager to adjust them if you are part of a family group. Step 3. Reinstall Roblox. If you've checked both accounts and everything seems fine, your final option is to reinstall Roblox. This can help clear up any potential software issues causing the error. 1. On your device, uninstall the Roblox app. 2. Restart your device. 3. Reinstall Roblox from the official store, App Store, Google Play, Microsoft Store, etc. And that's it. Those are the steps you can take to fix the Roblox Error Code 103. Hopefully, this guide helps you get back into your games quickly. If the error persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox or Xbox support for more help. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!